Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over the stamp of the month for February 2024 from Close to My Heart. And I do a program where anyone who orders it from me will get a layout. And the more they order, the more they get. So I'll put some details here. So this is a stamp of the month. It's Say It With Flowers, and they're pansies. They are so pretty. I love pansies because they're easy to grow and they don't die very easy. And I think most of you can probably relate to that. Also has some nice sentiments with really nice fonts. Thinking of you, grateful for you, friend, and sending you love. Now, VIPs can get this for free with a $50 order. Anybody else, it's $5 with a $50 order. They also now have the option of getting thin cuts with it, which is an additional expense, but that, goes, that's the way everything is, right? So it has a lot of thin cuts, so it's a little more expensive, but definitely I wouldn't want to cut these out, right? Some I would cut out okay if they were more straight edges, but going around all the flowers, it's just so worth it to get the thin cuts. These are some that I've already done. And just, being able to cut that out, it's just so much easier with a thin cut. And the delicate leaves and the buds, it's just, get the thin cuts if you can. If you have a die cut machine, you definitely want the thin cuts. But anyways, if you order this from me, I will send you a layout kit. So this is the layout kit. I got a little splatter on there for my shimmer brush. And this is the prototype. It's on sage cardstock. You can use any color you would like. There is a gray type color. Mink is included in this collection, but this is mist. And then there's mulberry, and there's also periwinkle that goes in this collection depending on what you get. And if you have any of those colors, you can use a piece of cardstock or you can use white, which I'm going to show you. And if your order is $75 or more before shipping and handling and after any VIP credits are taken, if you're a VIP, you'll get the second page layout, which is this one. And this one goes with the collage type idea. It has a strip of paper here, which is the hero paper for Sweet Memories collection, the featured paper collection for this month. I love it. And then it has a strip of paper here, and this is the back side of one of them. It actually has the journaling line, so I thought that would be cool to add for the journaling. And then the mulberry and the periwinkle, and then here's the mink, the gray. And this is another pattern in that paper collection. I also use some Cricut cuts from the SVG collection, which includes this Viewmaster and the swirls. I actually joined those together, welded them together is a Cricut term. And the Love This title is also from the SVG collection. I put some little pearls on here from my stash. I have been going through my stash looking for things to add to my craft sale, which is going to be at my retreat in April. And I found a bunch of really cool stuff, so you're going to benefit from that if you get these layouts, because I'm going to include some of these stuff. A couple other things are the doilies and this little thread bundle. And on here is fiber, I would call it. It's not yarn, it's not a thread, but it is a fiber, and they're all different because I have a whole bunch of different ones. So I just used the ones that I thought would look good. You can use it or not if you would like. You can bring out your own. I'm sure you have some. So anyways, let me show you what the actual kit looks like. And this is the kit with the 12 by 12. Now, if you pick it up or you live close by and I'll see you, or you'll be at my retreat in March, I can bring it with the 12 by 12, not a problem there. So this is the main layout, and this is a second page layout. So I kind of got them to go together. Now, you can see this one is mostly mulberry based. There are also the periwinkle based ones. That's this one. So you can see the periwinkle pieces and the periwinkle here. Okay, so neither here nor there. They both go together really well. So we'll take this out. And I'm not going to put it to actually glue it together. I'll just put it together and show you how it goes together. So you would glue it. Well, you could watch this video and put it together while I'm instructing you. So what you'll do first is take this circle, and this is made out of a thicker paper board. It's not cardstock, it's pretty thick. And I think where I got them, I have no idea, but I had a whole stack of them, so I thought I would use them in a layout, and this is the one that I'm using it for. So you're going to take this, and I took, let's see if I can grab it here, this piece of cardstock and this pattern paper, and you're welcome to use either side, you know, do what you would like. It's going to be your kit. And you're going to glue this down, okay? Then you're going to rip it around the circle so that it will be a circle shape with these patterns on top of it. And you'll have some paper left over, okay? Then you're going to take your fiber and you're going to attach it to your base paper, right? You're going to put your circle on your base paper. And then you're going to imagine that the paper is already stuck to the circle, okay? So take it out of here. And you're going to glue it down around your circle. And because the circle is thick enough, it gives it some dimension. And it takes a minute for the glue to attach it. So you're going to be careful you don't pull it because it will come undone. Just give it a minute and then you will glue it all down. So then you have your border, and it's actually a texture, which is a really neat idea, which we don't do too much anymore. I mean, that we do texture things, but a lot of people are into sewing and things, and I haven't been there yet. But anyway, you're also going to have these little pieces of zip strip to put here. And this one, again, you can use either side. This, of course, the line's going the wrong way, but you know, whatever, if you want to use it, you can. And this is going to go on the side here. And this will go here. Okay. And then you're also going to get these little pieces. So with the mulberry paper on here, it will of course look a lot different. It looks funny because it's all white, right? So you take these pieces out, and some of them I've already glued together, the titles anyway. Okay, so this will go on here. And there's a little heart in your bag. You can put it, our paper is double-sided. One side is light and one side is the true color. And you can put that here, either one or the other, light or dark. Actually, you get two hearts in this one. Okay, so that'll go up here. Oh, not on the ViewMaster. The ViewMaster is going to go down here, if you would like. This is how I did it anyways. Let me just get out the prototype one. Okay, so here's the prototype, so you can see it's the same thing. Then you're also going to get your photo mats, and you can make it a one photo. This is absolutely beautiful as a one photo, and you can do it like this. And then this one will be over here if you want to. Now another option would be to have it like this and put your papers this way and then this paper on this side, and then you can have one portrait photo here, okay, rather than landscape, which is what I have here. So that's an option. And then you just put out your flowers and decorate it, and it's so easy. Now you also put your swirls on there and get that on there, okay? So it's really pretty. Now these I colored with shimmer brushes. They were so easy to color. I just filled it in with the mulberry and then added a little of the periwinkle, and it, you know, covered the whole thing up. It didn't really need shadowing. For the leaves, I used sage, and in the background, some of the green, I put Seabrook. So it was a lighter green. Really, really pretty. I love the shimmer it gives and the soft shimmer, right? Not real bold glittery. And then the pearls, of course, always add a really nice touch to have it soft, you know, with this kind of vintagey thing. Okay, so that's layout 1. That was so easy, right? Okay, layout 2. This is a little bit more of a pattern to follow. So I'll show you this one. Again, you're going to get your white base, or pull out a colored cardstock if you want. You won't get the white base if I mail it to you. You'll just get this stuff here. So here is the white, and this piece will go here. And of course, you can decorate your white base if you use it, right? How do you like my nails? My daughter took me today. Today's Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day. Hope you had a good one. I'm sure this video won't get posted before then, or during today. But she took me for Valentine's Day, and we got our nail a mani-pedi. It was so nice. And it's also my anniversary, so my husband got the day off away from me for the morning anyway. All right, back to scrapbooking. So this piece will go down here with your journaling piece on top, or not. You could use the other side. And that goes here. Okay. So your zip strip is going to go on top. So the zip strip should match your first page. Okay, I tried to match them up. This piece is going to go over here. You're going to have a mulberry there. And a mulberry down here, tuck it underneath. And then you're going to have your 2 periwinkle pieces. One will go here, and one will go here. The mink will go here. So it looks like that mulberry piece is one long piece. And this is mist, and this will go here. You can put this over the top if you like. And then your 2 photo mats. And again, you can turn these the other way if you like. And you can cut these down. These are big. Let's see if I can get that. Okay, so it'll go under there. Just add some interest. And then your swirls here. And here. Oh, I put mine down here, but you could put it up here. Then your Viewmaster is over here. Slide it in there. It won't move if everything is glued down. And then the Sweet Memories here. Oh, doily. I put the doily underneath here. I really think it looks good. You could make the doily darker so that it shows up better, but I think it looks perfect the way it is. It's not so prominent, but it's still noticeable. Really lets your photos shine that way. Let's see if I can get that. Okay. And this piece will be over here. So there we go. This goes on top of the doily. And the doily goes underneath. Okay. And now a picture of the prototype will be included with the kit. So it goes like that. And then you add your flowers to it. And you can do, of course, a lot more than I did. You can tuck them underneath, which is so nice. You know, you can make as many as you want. I love this little bouquet one. I have it there. It's just so pretty. I hope you like it. So that's page 2. Again, this is the one that I made with the green. It's a really beautiful collection, paper collection, and a beautiful stamp of the month. So pretty. So if you have any questions, let me know. And I will be mailing the kits out after the 1st of March. Have a wonderful day. And again, I hope you had a great Valentine's Day.